Hello and welcome back to COEPD's weekly job bulletin. This week we bring you exciting business analyst opportunities across insurance, healthcare, IT and real estate domains covering multiple locations and experience levels. Let's get started. First up, Digit Insurance is hiring a business analyst in Bangalore for professionals with 5 to 8 years of experience in general insurance, focusing on underwriting, claims, SQL and API integrations. Next, Talent Oach is hiring a techno-functional business analyst in Bangalore and Pune for candidates with 5 to 8 years of experience in insurance, requiring strong SQL, API, and stakeholder management skills. For those early in their careers, Uncanny Consulting Services is hiring a business analyst in Ahmedabad with 0 to 3 years of experience focusing on pre-sales activities, documentation, and client coordination. Wipro is hiring a business analyst in Hyderabad with around 3 years of experience, focusing on process analysis, SQL, dashboards, and end-to-end project delivery. CGC IT Solutions is hiring a business analyst in Bangalore and Hyderabad for professionals with 5+ years of experience in the US healthcare domain, requiring knowledge of PBM, claims processing, and benefit configuration. If you're exploring SaaS or IT roles, ST Global in Pune is hiring business analysts with 4 to 6 years of experience, focusing on requirement gathering, QAT, agile delivery, and reporting. Ultimate HR Solutions is hiring business analysts in Shillong for candidates with 3+ years of experience requiring strong documentation skills, SQL knowledge, and stakeholder management. For freshers, Team Lee's RegTech is offering a 6-month internship in business analysis in Pune or remote, focusing on documentation, agile support, and product coordination. In Raipur, Humanitics Dimension Software is hiring business analysts with 3 to 5 years of experience, especially those with exposure to ERP or government finance systems. Another Pune-based opportunity comes from Solar Square, which is looking for candidates with around 3+ years of experience, focusing on analytics, problem solving, and stakeholder communication. For senior professionals, Impaction Global is hiring in Bangalore and Pune for candidates with 7 to 10 years of experience in BFSI, with a strong focus on data migration, ETL, and core banking systems. Finally, Podium Systems in Mumbai is offering an opportunity for candidates ranging from freshers to 10 years of experience, focusing on real estate, financial analysis, and client relationship management. That's all for this week. To know more, comment below and register with COEPD. Additional opportunities are highlighted at the end. Thank you for watching and we will see you next week.